Y'all cool if I sing you a new song that I'm gonna do with my buddy Ernest? Well, y'all probably know this already, but I love singing sad songs. It don't matter if I'm the happiest person in the world, I just love riding around listening to sad songs. That's what I'm gonna sing tonight. This is a new one. I don't know if y'all heard this or not, but me and Ernest are gonna sing it together. I'm gonna sing this part tonight. It's called Flower Shop. It's a beautiful day, she been crying all night. She got tears in her blues, bloodshot in my eyes, and it's benders been blending his hell bound to break. My baby's had all she can take. So buddy, I'll take all your roses if you cut off the thorns. She can't take no more. How about violets and daisies to hide all the crazy? It's gonna take all you got. It's a bad day for me, but a good day for a flower shop. You know what I did? Well, I took some pills. She took the downtown. It's all gone to hell. She's gone to her mom, and I took up drinkings, and she took the time to tell me I took the best years of her life. Somebody